In what sport is a Gordie Howe hat-trick, scoring a goal, making an assist and getting into a fight all in one game? A. Water polo. B. Gaelic football. C. Ice hockey. You've put Gaelic football.
Yeah, that's right. I think Howe's tends to be a bit of an Irish surname, so I think it's probably named after him, so I was guessing Gaelic football out of the three.
Correct answer is... it's ice hockey, staying where you are. Chase has put... goes right with ice hockey.
Gordie, legendary ice hockey player. That's the clue. They're getting into a fight.
Yeah.
Ice hockey have goons who that's their job, basically, to get into a fight on the ice.
Here's your next question.